Hello everyone, I am Ryan. Welcome to our simple English story today.
Hi, I am Jessica. We are happy you are here with us.
Today you learn simple English about dogs, asking for help, and places.
The level is mostly A1 English, with some easy B1 sentences later.
Please subscribe to our channel if you like stories and English practice.
Write a comment and tell us what country you are watching from today.
Hi Jessica, nice to see you at the park this morning.
Hi Ryan, it is good to see you too. Beautiful day here.
Jessica, where is your dog today? I do not see him.
Oh no, Ryan. Fido was here, but now his leash is empty.
Okay, let us stay calm. We can look for him together now.
Yes, please help me, Ryan. I am really worried about my dog.
First, you can describe Fido, then people in the park can help us.
Good idea. I will say his color, size, and special things about him.
While we walk, we can practice English words for describing pets and places.
Yes, we can learn and also try to find my dog Fido.
Okay, Jessica, please describe Fido. How big is he? What color?
Fido is small and brown with white paws and a short tail.
Does Fido have long ears or short ears? Is his fur long?
He has big floppy ears and medium fur, not too long, not short.
Maybe he is near the playground. Many dogs like to run there.
Yes, maybe Fido is by the swings or near the slide now.
He can be under a bench, behind a tree, or next to the fountain.
Yes, or maybe in front of the playground, or near the big bushes there.
Fido, come here, boy. We are on the path near the playground.
Fido, I am here. Come back to me, please. I have treats.
Let us check the grass and trees near the pond. Dogs like smells here.
Good idea. He sometimes sits under trees when he feels hot and tired.
He is not under the bench. I only see leaves and a bottle.
Behind this tree is empty, too. Maybe he moved to another side of the pond.
We can ask people. Excuse me, have you seen a small brown dog?
Yes, and I can add, he has white paws and floppy ears. Please help.
Look over there, on the other side of the pond, near that tree.
I think I see something small and brown sitting next to the water.
That really looks like Fido. He is next to the big rock over there.
Yes, that is him. He is in front of the tree, by the water.
Hi, Fido. There you are. You were hiding near the rock and tree.
Fido, I am so happy. Please come here and sit next to me.
Now he is safely on the leash, next to you and away from the water.
Yes, he is with us again. I feel much calmer and very thankful now.
Today we describe Fido's color, size, and special features to ask for help.
We also used prepositions like under, next to, and in front of to talk about places.
Thank you for watching and learning with us today. Please subscribe and practice again.
Bye, everyone, and bye, Ryan. Fido and I are going home now, happily. Hello, everyone. I am Jessica, your English teacher. Today, we will study English from our story. Please help me, Ryan. Come back to me, please. Name, comma. Fido, I am here. Come here, boy. Please come here and sit next to me. Please makes it softer. Excuse me, have you seen a small brown dog? Have you seen uses present perfect? Excuse me softens the question. He has white paws and floppy ears. Please help. We are on the path near the playground. Prepositions show place. Under a bench behind a tree. Next to the fountain in front of the playground. By the water near the big bushes there. I will explain grammar, verbs, and sentence use. I will explain why these phrases sound polite. By the swings near the slide. Away from the water on the path. A small brown dog size before color, small brown dog. Big floppy ears with white paws and a short tail. Medium fur, not too long, not short. He sometimes sits under trees. He has big floppy ears. The show specific, the big rock. Choice with or long ears or short ears. While we walk, we can practice English. First, you can describe Fido. Then people in the park can help us. Future will. I will say his color, size, and special things about him. We can learn and also try to find Fido. Look over there, near that tree. I will show when to use them in real life. Be verb. It is good to see you two. The other side of the pond. Be plus adjective. I am really worried. Do plus not plus base makes negatives. Negative, I do not see him. Question, where is your dog today? Question, how big is he? Short question, what color? Do question, does Fido have long ears? Be question, is his fur long? Past B, Fido was here. Can plus base, we can look for him. Let us stay calm. It is an inclusive suggestion.